regularly and ensure that you are getting enough vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. It is primarily found in animal products, making it a nutrient of concern for vegetarians. Some vegetarian sources of vitamin B12 include fortified plant milks, soy milk, almond milk, fortified breakfast cereals. Nutritional yeast. It is important to note that these sources may not provide enough vitamin B12, particularly for vegans. Therefore, it is recommended that vegetarians and vegans take a vitamin B12 supplement or consume a vitamin B12 fortified food regularly. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for brain function and heart health. They are primarily found in fatty fish, making it a nutrient of concern for vegetarians. Some vegetarian sources of omega-3 fatty acids include flax seeds and chia seeds, walnuts, soybeans and edamame, canola oil. It is important to note that the type of omega-3 fatty acids found in these plant-based sources, ALA, needs to be converted into a more active form, EPA and DHA, in the body. This conversion process is not very efficient, so it is recommended that vegetarians consider taking an algae-based omega-3 supplement. Enhancing vegetarian nutrition. In addition to ensuring that all essential nutrients are being consumed, there are some additional strategies that can be used too. Enhance the nutritional value of a vegetarian diet. Eat a variety of foods. Eating a wide variety of foods ensures that you are getting a range of different nutrients. Try to incorporate fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds into your diet. Choose whole foods. Whole foods are minimally processed and retain their natural nutrients. Choose whole grains over refined grains, and opt for fresh fruits and vegetables over canned or frozen varieties. Pay attention to food combinations. Some nutrients are better absorbed when consumed together. For example, vitamin C enhances iron absorption, so try adding some lemon juice to your spinach salad. Consider fortified foods. Fortified foods are a good way to ensure that you are getting enough of certain nutrients. Look for plant milks and breakfast cereals that are fortified with calcium and vitamin B12. Conclusion: vegetarianism can provide many health benefits, but it is important to ensure that a vegetarian diet is nutritionally balanced. By incorporating a variety of plant-based protein sources, iron-rich foods with vitamin C, calcium-rich foods with vitamin D, vitamin B12 fortified foods or supplements, and omega-3 fatty acid supplements, vegetarians can meet their nutritional needs. In addition to these specific nutrient considerations, it is important to eat a variety of whole foods, pay attention to food combinations, and consider fortified foods to enhance the nutritional value of a vegetarian diet. With the right attention to nutrition, a vegetarian diet can be a healthy and sustainable way of eating. A vegetarian diet can be both nutritious and satisfying. However, proper planning is important to ensure that all nutritional requirements are met. This article discusses some key considerations for enhancing nutrition on a vegetarian diet. Protein. Vegetarian protein sources include lentils, beans, tofu, nuts, and some grains like quinoa.